dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you can't add new story to your Instagram, so you just receive error. So how you can fix it? So first thing you can try also to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just open App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram, and just tap on search. So if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your Instagram app. So just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. Also, you can try to check your network. So sometimes it can caused by problems with network. So you just need to go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And another thing you can try to turn off and turn on your cellular data. So sometimes it also helps. And the latest option you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second, and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so you can also just try to restore your phone, so sometimes it also helps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.